PM. Nakapustura na ako kasi magpapalaser ako. And then, bibili kami ng gift para kay Ate May, tsaka kay Ate Riza. Mamaya, punta kami doon. Tapos, diretso na kami samba. Pagkatapos, una pala, tapos ng laser, punta kami sa Midland para magbigay ng gift. And after ng Midland, sasamba kami. And the afternoon, punta kami ng Obin Grove para kay Ate Riza's birthday. Simple dinner lang. Yan, guys. Let's go. Hi, handsome boy! Hi, handsome boy!
Hi, Mom.
Inaayos na ni Dad yung likod. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So, yan. Naka-contacts tayo, guys. Para makakita tayo ngayon. Monday declutter yung pinag-uusapan namin. Punta kami Karinap, guys.
Wow, malaguro na na sa iloko.
Okay, see ya. So, andito na kami sa Karinap, guys. Park na kami dito. Dito kami nakapark. Mag-ama na naka-block. So, dito na kami sa laser clinic, guys. So, dito na tayo, guys, sa laser clinic again and again and again. Yan na tayo. Again and again. Let's go. So, daan na kami dito sa city, guys. Papunta na kami doon sa kanila ate, sa Obin Grove. At makiki-birthday. Traffic pa, guys. 25 minutes away pa kami. And, kakatapos lang namin sumamba. Nakapangsamba pa si Habi. Ako nakabihis na. Ayan. Let's go, guys. So, naka-change clothes na din ako. Diretso na doon kanila ate. And medyo traffic yung freeway. Let's go. Dito na kami, guys. So, see you later.
What? Look at my seatbelt.
Oo.
Bahay mo na. Bahay mo na. Focus sa goal.
Happy birthday to you. Wow! Where did you hide?
I thought you should say something to Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.
What else?
Thanks for taking care of Mom.
Aw.
I love you, Mom.
Good job. High five. Good job.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. Let's eat or let's watch.
Where is it?
Hi guys, it's May 10,
Where did that
12:25 PM na. And nakabihis na ako. Pupunta kami ng lunch for Mother's Day celebration. And Habi got me flowers. Very nice flowers.
We're gonna look for it later.
Punta kaming Karinap. Doon kami magla-lunch. And may pa-flowers tayo dito. And Habi is there. Did you got me a flower, my love?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Where did you go, Kagina?
To buy flowers.
Where? Go straight ahead.
Go straight ahead and then turn and look and turn again. And then we're right there.
Watching.
That's
Oh, that's it.
nice. Thank you, my love, for the flowers. Punta po kami ng lunch. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta, pero may
Sa city.
pa-lunch. Sa city kami pala pupunta. May pa-lunch tayo ngayon for the Mother's Day. And let's celebrate. Happy Mother's Day to all.
Laban!
So, andito na po kami ngayon sa city. Hanap lang kami ng parking. Free parking naman kung Sunday. And parang may pa-event din.
Whoa, this place
Sa
is
Elizabeth
awesome.
Which one?
This place.
This place, we've been here, right? Pointy Tower.
Ah, yeah. It's called Bell Tower.
Yeah.
Where?
Dito na po kami sa CPP. 365 base pa naman. At punta lang kami dun sa Elizabeth Key mamaya.
What was that came out?
Ticket.
A ticket to buy in there.
Closer that way.
Okay.
Okay.
This place is awesome, Dad.
I know it.
What number? That's a,
18.
that's what a number.
Punta kaming 18 nuts. Tignan natin. So, tignan my lunch.
Fried chicken, quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
Oh, Dad, look down there. I see a pool.
Ah, yeah. There's a pool.
Oh, and then
Dire lang?
Hindi lang.
Ah.
Wait, look, I want to do this. I want to swim.
So, tapos na kami guys. Diyan kami na hotel. Tapos nasa 18th floor yung kainan. And then, andyan lang yung bell tower sa harap. And lakad-lakad lang kami dito sa labas. Walking pagkatapos kumain. Yan lang.
Wait. Now I will take a picture of you and Dad.
So, andito kami yan sa bell tower. Tignan natin kung ano yung nasa loob. Hindi pa ako nakapasok dito. Ah, close na. Close na daw. So, take away lang kami dito to end the Mother's Day celebration. Take away kami dito sa Opor to try lang natin. Portuguese chicken pala to.
Grabe na dugdungan yung deliver.
What, my love?
Are you gonna deliver?
No, we're gonna order. Kasi dati,
Namin no.
nagde-deliver kami.
Namin no.
Nag-Uber Eats kami ngayon, wala nang time.
Namin no.
So, dito tayo.
Hanggang sa Golden Bangkok.
Are you gonna go in?
Yeah, gagawin na yun.
Hi, welcome to Porter. What can I get you?
Just give me a minute. Thank you.
Meron silang flame grilled chicken boxes, whole chicken feet,
Tara na lang ang whole chicken.
Burger.
Tara na whole chicken.
Pwede.
Hi, can we have whole chicken feed?
Chicken feed?
Yeah, whole chicken feed.
Yeah, what racing would you like with that?
What are the choices? Sorry.
Lemon, herb, chili, and extremo picante.
Lemon and herb. Chili, okay.
Lemon and herb?
Yup.
Yep, and what side would you like with that?
Side is... How many sides do I need to pick? Two?
One.
Oh, only one?
Yeah.
Okay. This is crunchy grilled corn.
Dad,
I'll have the spicy rice.
Spicy rice? Yep.
Yeah.
And what dipping sauces would you like with that?
Dipping sauce?
Yep.
What are my choices?
Dad,
Garlic, chili, mayo, prego, extremo picante.
Garlic, please.
I want
Garlic? Yep.
Yeah.
Anything else?